Hi folks, my name is Mary. I'm here in Junction City. I am going to be showing you today an R-Pod by Forest River. So it's a very small unit. It would be great for 2 people, so I'll come around and show you inside. This is an R-Pod 179. You come into the kitchen in the back, so you've got this window right here. You've got lots of drawers right here. Sink with this extra counter. You've got actually a lot of counter space in here, and then if you look right here, as soon as you come in the door, you've got these 2 units of storage right here too. And then come on in here, you've got your refrigerator in your stove, or in your microwave. And this is how it's stored when you travel. So this is bolted in, so this is a table that would come out and it would be right here. So you've got your little dinette right here with storage up above. Then your bed is tucked over here. So it's not a lot of room, but very doable for 2 people. Right here you've got some extra storage. That would be for a wardrobe. And then here is a really cute little bathroom. So you've got your wet bath here, complete with a shower curtain, and then there's extra storage on the side to put your shampoos and things like that. So great for getting out, even if it's just 2 people, going hunting, or just a small, family, and just, having some adventures in the woods. My name is Mary. Please call me 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.